If you think 4K means better quality, you have been lied to. Alright, so you are thinking of upgrading from 1080p to 4K. More pixels, better quality. Right? Well, not so fast. There is a reason why some people swear by 4K, while others say it's completely pointless. Today we are breaking it down, the good, the bad, and the money-grabbing market tricks. And trust me, by the end of this, you might rethink your next purchase. So what's the difference? Let's get nerdy, but keep it simple. 1080p means 1920 by 1080p pixels. 4K means 3840 into 2160 pixels. That's 4 times the resolution. Sounds amazing, right? But here is the twist. If your screen isn't big enough or you are sitting too far away, your eyes can't even tell the difference. Yes, that's right. So when does 4K actually matters? Well, let's talk about that. Imagine buying a Ferrari just to drive in a parking lot. That's what watching 4K on a tiny 24-inch screen is like. If you are sitting more than 6 feet away from a 55-inch TV, your eyes physically can't resolve the extra details. That means you are basically throwing money at a pixels you will never see. And don't get me started on streaming. Most 4K content online is heavily compressed, meaning it's basically 1440p in disguise. So unless you're watching a Blu-ray, a lot of that crisp 4K magic is just marketing fluff. But hold up, there are times when 4K is total game changer. Let's get into that. Gamers, this one is for you. If you are on a massive screen or sitting close, think a 27-inch monitor on your desk, 4K makes a big difference. Also, for film editors and photographers, more pixels means details to work with. And of course, if you are rocking an 85-inch TV in your living room, go nuts with 4K. But for everyday Netflix watching, 1080p is still ridiculously good. So should you upgrade to 4K? If you sit close, game a lot, or have a massive screen, go for it. But if your TV is under 55 inches or you are more than 6 feet away, save your money. Marketing hype is real, and now you are smarter than the average consumer.